This model kit reviews of the Delta Dart, the F-106. It is a 1/48 scale model by Revell, and here you can see the finished model. The colors needed. Another picture of the finished model. And the dimensions. This is very similar to the Delta Dagger. These large planes. Let's have a look at our sprues here. So first of all, we have our canopy, nicely molded, some surface detail there. First of all, we're going to look at our fuselage here, which has got some surface detail. It's quite faint, and it's all raised. I have some details here for the cockpit, nothing really on the inside. We have a tremendous amount of detail actually here within the weapons bay. And some surface detail here. We have our nose, engine, we have a pilot figure, with some mold lines unfortunately, but otherwise a fair amount of detail. Here is the cockpit, also with a lot of detail here. And our gear door, here's our landing gear. And all with a fair amount of detail actually. Here are our air brakes, actually very well molded. Here's the top of our wing with the flaps and ailerons down. I guess it would be elevator as well because it's a Delta. All the parts really are fairly well molded, not much in the way of flashing, but we do have some little mold lines. Wheels are good. Here's our instrument panel. You can see all the details here. Tremendous amount of detail. So this is really going to be a great model to build. And here's our weapons bay covers, which you need to cut, I suppose, to be able to show it. We do have our fuel tanks and weapons. More weapons, exhausts. Here's our ejection seat, air intakes. Here are the decals, exceptionally detailed. Here's our instrument panel. It's going to be a really good model to build with all those details. Let's have a look at the instructions. We put together the cockpit. That all goes inside the fuselage. Fuselage is put together, and it includes the nose gear. We put together the missile bay with all the weapons, and some of the doors, the resting hook. Then the main gear put together, and then the tanks, fuel tanks, and engine, air intakes, brake, then the nose wheel, the nose cone, pilot, and canopy. We have it open or closed. Here are the decals. Painting guide, and there's your two options. So all in all, this is actually a fairly impressive model in terms of the level of detail.